Okay, so advice for men, I think this is part 20 maybe. This comes to your highest operating level. And you guys probably are familiar with this feeling, but when you're in a panic, when you're in a freak out, when you need to react, when you need to, when you have the adrenaline rush, as a guy, you're always doing your best work in terms of you're getting things done quick. You have urgency, you have a pep in your step, maybe a little bit more irritable, maybe a little bit more aggressive. What happens is complacency takes this over. Things are tough at first, then they get a little easier, and then they become easy. And then complacency takes over, and you're no longer hitting that next echelon. So remember, if you're starting a business, think about the first 6 months, the first year, how you felt. You're never gonna feel that again once things start going, but how do you create that same feeling as you had in your first 6 to 12 months in the business? Because those first 6 to 12 months, we all know, that's when you're the most aggressive, that's what you're doing, whatever it takes to make it work. But then when that pain subsides, you kind of lose sight of the inspiration per se. So growing something massively is having that feeling you had in month 6 through 12 of starting something new. How can you replicate that? That's how you grow a business and network. You need to have that form of aggression those first 6 months repeated year after year after year to really get to that next point in life.